We're here at Marine Max Clearwater, and some people may look at this yacht and wonder how hard is it really to dock? But with today's technology, it's easier than ever before. As you get into the larger yachts, to enjoy boating with friends and family, technology has really made things easier. Whether you're an owner-operator or a hired captain, Yacht Controller has proven to be a tremendous docking tool. Yacht Controller makes docking a whole heck of a lot easier. And we're gonna watch Captain Lance here dock this 410 Galeon. The simplicity of docking with wireless control, eliminating blind spots, putting you in a position advantageous to see exactly the momentum of the vessel, engaging depth perception, allowing him or her to grab lines, adjust fenders, and dock this boat effortlessly. And let's watch him do it. So one of the many features with wireless control in our Yacht Controller, of course, is docking, but it's also being able to walk the boat to the cleat so that you can effortlessly untie without having to tug and pull on that line. So in addition to that, you now also have that flexibility to, of course, walk around, adjust your fenders, adjust your lines effortlessly without having to pull or tug or fend off of a piling to adjust the fender. You're doing it with the remote control, toggling your engines and thrusters so that you can do that without exerting any force or pressure. For more information on the Yacht Controller, visit our website, yachtcontroller.com. And of course, if you're looking for that perfect boat to go boating, visit marinemax.com.